The RH bill likewise got the Senate nod after more than a year on the floor. Majority of the senators voted for the measure. Bianca Piedad tells us more.
With 13 affirmative votes against 8 negative votes, the Senate approved today on its third and final reading the controversial Senate Bill 2865 or the Reproductive Health Bill. Those who voted in favor are Senators Edgardo Angara, Joker Arroyo, Alan Peter Cayetano, Pia Cayetano, Miriam Defensor, Franklin Drilon, Gis Escudero, TG Gingona, Panfilo Lacson, Lauren Legarda, Bongbong Marcos, Francis Pangilinan, and Val Recto. Those who voted against are Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, Senate President Pro Tempore Jinggoy Estrada, and Senators Gringo Nasan, Coco Pimentel, Bong Revilla, Vicente Soto III, Antonio Trillanes IV, and Manny Villar. Earlier, Senator Tito Soto III presented his 31 amendments to the bill, majority of which were accepted by the sponsor, Senator Pia Cayetano, including the eradication of the World Health Organization or WHO as reference of some provisions in the bill. Meanwhile, the senators justified their votes with the majority saying the passage of the said bill would be the least thing they could do for the young and women who, according to Senator Marcos, find themselves ill-prepared and often ignorant of mere situations described in the bill. Senator Lacson, however, commends both the Senate President and the Senate Majority Leader for fighting for their beliefs and about the bill despite the harsh criticisms they've earned. Senator Escudero, on the other hand, says he voted yes because he wants to give a fair and equal chance to uplift and improve each and every newborn Filipino's life. Now that's the latest regarding the controversial health bill that somehow divided the upper chamber. For People's Television, Bianca Piedad, Senate.